guys. Love you. Mwah. What are you coloring? Coloring a flower. What color is that?
Red.
No, that's color green.
Green.
Hi guys, you guys are highly welcome. So you know how we have been watching videos on Instagram on how to make popcorn, the way they used to put plenty oil. Let me know if you've seen those kind of videos. I said let me try it though. I put oil now. I don't put sugar. Some of them self in those videos, they usually will put coconut, or some even put pineapple, or some even put chocolate, and sha just put a lot of oil, right? So I said okay, let me just copy these people, right, and try to make this popcorn. By the way, I have a popcorn recipe in my recipe book. I attended a catering class and they gave us a recipe for that, but I decided not to use it. It was at this point I began to wonder why the sugar was looking at me like this. Why is it as if the sugar is frying? Okay. Oh, go. And I was like, ah. Anyway, finally, the sugar melted. And once it melted, I'm like, okay, progress. We're making progress. Another mistake I made again was adding this quantity of corn into the oil. Too much, way too much corn and very little pot, because I thought that those Instagram people had sense or something, and this is how they would usually put the corn together with the oil, and it looks like okay, the corn is frying. So I covered it for some time, and then I realized that it was just frying, no progress. Only 3 corns popped.
Stop gnashing. Não tem mais o pompo, isso não sabe nos nada, né? Não sabe nos nada.
So after all that back and forth, my brother complaining and all of that, I decided to reduce the oil, and that was when it began to pop. I was so excited at this point. And I'm like, hey, I made this. I wish you guys could hear what I was saying in the background.
Yeah.
And ta-da! Burnt corn. It was burnt, guys. Burnt. I knew that putting that sugar was totally wrong. So I decided I am not going to give up. I'm going to try again. It's already popping. Pop, popping. Popping. Woo! Look at that. Wow. Whoa. Wow, I'm so excited. I finally got it. No sugar, no palm oil, just a little butter and your corn. And have this. So I'm going to make it syrup and then top it up to give it some sweetness, you know. So I just had to sprinkle some sugar. Look at this beauty. Look at this beauty. Yeah. Let me copy somebody's American accent. Oh, okay. The sugar no catch. But I got do syrup. a little bit of milk. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Look at these. Look at these. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Milk popcorn. First try out. This is the beginning. Funny enough, I've had this recipe for such a long time in my cookbook, but I've never tried it. Then I've been seeing a lot of it on Instagram Reels, and I decided that okay, let me just try it. Flop. Thank God, oh, thank God.